The Court of Appeal sitting in Abuja has now overturned the conviction of former Chief Justice of Nigeria, Walter Onnoghen, by the Code of Conduct Tribunal. A three-member panel of justices of the Court of Appeal acquitted and discharged Justice Onnoghen as a consequential order from the terms of settlement between him and the federal government. Celestina Area reports.
Justice Walter Onnoghen approached the Court of Appeal in 2019 after his removal by the CCT, challenging the jurisdiction of the court to entertain the case. Some years after that appeal, the federal government had sought to settle the matter amicably with Justice Onnoghen with an out-of-court settlement. Today, the terms of settlement between parties was entered by the Court of Appeal as consent judgment. The federal government conceded that the Code of Conduct Tribunal lacks jurisdiction to try and convict Justice Onnoghen without first resorting to the National Judicial Council. Also, the tribunal lacks jurisdiction, having tried and convicted Justice Onnoghen even after he had tendered his voluntary retirement letter and same was accepted unconditionally by the then president. The court also ordered the bank account of Justice Onnoghen that was frozen should be made accessible to him. As a consequential order, the court overturned the conviction of Justice Onnoghen, discharged and acquitted him.
Since 2016 to 2019, the judiciary suffered a lot of humiliation. A great and very, very serious error of the last administration was the invasion of the judges' quarters in the night, as if they were armed robbers, as if they were thieves, as if they were terrorists. The worst that came was the removal of our Chief Justice of Nigeria, the head of the third arm of government, in an unceremonious manner. We all shouted about it. It was maneuvered. Unfortunately, the man became a victim. He was denied access to the Council of States. His monies that were in bank were taken away from him. And his life became almost, with respect, meaningless. If you rise from your call to ban 1978 to being removed as Chief Justice of Nigeria, what is left for you? Nothing.
The Code of Conduct Tribunal had in 2019 convicted Justice Walter Onnoghen on a sales-scam charge of non-declaration of assets. The tribunal in its judgment barred Justice Onnoghen from holding public office for a period of 10 years, removed him as the Chief Justice of Nigeria, and froze his bank accounts. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.